In this video, we're going to show you how to use our bronzers, our blushes, and our enhancers. Okay, so first we have our bronzers. Now bronzers could be used also to contour. You could just follow the lines that you already did of the contouring of the darker spots. Wherever you had a darker spot is where you could use a bronzer. Now you could also use the bronzers in the shape of an E on both sides of your face. And that will give you a look like if you just came back from Hawaii, a very sun-kissed glow. Now we have our what we call our enhancers, which are designed to attract light to that area of the face. Now for an enhancer, we would use a different brush than you would for your bronzer. And for the enhancers, they work in a very similar way. You could put it at the top where you have your cheekbone to attract light, at the tip of your nose, some on your chin, or even in the shape of a knee, just like you would a bronzer, because one of our bronzers, Sexy, has a sun-kissed look to it. Now I wouldn't use it with Sweet because Sweet is very pink. Sweet you would want to just do over your cheekbones and in your nose, or maybe like above your lip. And then we have, of course, our blushes. Our blushes you would use just to add a pop of color. Another tip we have for you is our eyeshadow called Chateau, which has a very, very nice glimmer, and you could use any of your shadow brushes. You could use this to highlight. You could use it to highlight the tip of your nose. Wherever you use the light contouring, you could also use it for the tip of your lip and right here angled above your cheekbone.